This is entirely a futuristic approach to learning, to developing competences, and to developing micro-credentials and modular learnings. Let's try to understand the content of what we are going to talk about. We are going to talk about shift from knowledge to competence. That means from role content to contemporary competency-based learnings. We'll be focusing on learning that will be based on how competent you are to deal with the present at that point of time, not today. Emphasis would be on adaptability, creativity, and meta-cognition, that means going beyond the current cognitive limits. We'll need AI-driven personalization of dynamic and inclusive education. Assessments would be done through real-world portfolios and outcomes, not through examinations as we are doing today, or the feedbacks that we are taking today. Now, reskilling would be there as an economic infrastructure. Lifelong learning will be treated as public good. AI-powered national skill registries and reskilling banks would be there. Work integrated and intergenerational upskilling ecosystems would be generated, and there will be inclusivity of women, rural, and neurodiverse learners as a priority. If we talk of micro-credentials and modular learning, degrees will be replaced by stackable blockchain verified badges. There will be recognition of peer, AI, and community validation. With transparent and portable credential ecosystems across the nations. That means the entire globe will become a city. There won't be any difference if you are living in one part of the world or another part of the world. Uh, as far as building ethically, uh, contemporary education, connected, and lifelong learning culture, human AI symbiosis in learning would be very, very important. All tutors and neuro-analytics enable personalized cognitions. Teachers will become mentors, facilitators, and ethical guides. Education will be reimagined as high-tech and high-touch, not just education as a part of syllabus, but continuous dynamic process that would emerge out of the real situation. There will be transdisciplinary and ethical education. Cross-domain systems and thinking will replace the current silos, current education systems. Ethics, empathy, and sustainability will be embedded across the science, technology, engineering, and management education. And learners will be trained to question and frame and reflect critically. That's what is the requirement of future. At the same time, collaborative and lifelong learning ecosystems would form the core of entire education system. It will be decentralized peer-to-peer, challenge-based learning. Public-private partnership would build scalable innovation networks, and curiosity and growth mindset will define the lifelong learning culture. These are certain changes that are going to take place in next 2 decades, which are yet to come. Our education system would be have to be changed